YouTube! Alright, so we got the 2 shipping labels right here. So basically, I'm gonna tell y'all a spoiler of what this video is. Basically, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, in this video, I am showing anybody new beginners like myself how realistically it looks to like print the labels for orders. So I had some shirts that I first started selling and someone ordered them from my website. I never, ever, 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 ever sold anything online as far as my own online store. Thankful. This is my first time. So if you want to support, please go to the website. It's called fundsforfun.store. Alright, so basically you can do it. You can do anything. If it's your first time, push through. You're going to make it far. Not give up. Don't compare yourself to other people's videos. That's what I messed up at. I was trying to I used to watch first drops from my brand and think my video has to be the same. But everybody's content is going to be different. It's going to be different. So in this video, I'm showing you when I went to the store. I went to drop off the packages after I labeled them. I went to drop it off at UPS right next to my working spot. And then I gave it to them so they can have it. And then, yeah. And I'm doing this after work. I'm finna get the 2 orders that it was. It was a small, right there. So it's a small money motivation black tee. Y'all, I'm gonna get a manicure. Don't worry about my nails. But yeah, it's 2 of the same thing. So I made a little section over here because I don't got what's some things called? It's the warehouse places. You know, it's the garages. Something, I don't know. But this is my organization station. And then it's largest, medium, small, extra small. So I'm gonna get a black, extra small, black, extra small. Then we finna get these papers. I'm gonna start keeping them under the thing. We're gonna take them out the plastic. So we need 2 of them. 1, 2. So 1 of these, 2 of these. So open it, take the plastic off. Poly mailers, that's what they call them, poly mailers. Dang, it's very sticky. Don't touch the top. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at that. I messed that up. Just bear with me. I'm gonna put this inside of here. Y'all shop. I actually sketched all my designs. This shirt is right here. Money is money. So I'm gonna show y'all once I pack it up. I had this design for a long time. Y'all, this is really sticky. Like drawing. I drew it in 9th grade. I'm in 12th grade now. Stop procrastinating, man. Stop procrastinating. Bro, this is really annoying. How am I supposed to put it in here? Oh, freaking dumbass. Bro, I was supposed to take the plastic off after. Now look at this. Trial and error, bro. Okay, y'all, wait. Where the plastic at? Put it in here. Shaking my head, y'all. We might have to get another one. Man, overly excited. I'm stressed out right now. Okay, just a girl. So this one we got done. Hey. Don't even matter. We gonna get this one to him. That's how it looks. I'm gonna do the second one. This time we're not taking the paper off. See that little plastic? We're not gonna take it off. better. We're gonna put hers, take it off. Okay, beautiful. 2 of them. Okay, I have successfully packaged 2 orders, and once we're finna go back to the order, so when I bring it to the UPS, I'm gonna enter this tracking number and stuff and the shipping carrier. Let's see if they got UPS available. UPS. Now we're gonna do UPS, and then look, that's what I'm looking at. The tracking number gonna go right there to her, so she can have it and she can know when it's gonna get to her. All I do is just press fulfill item, then it's done. It's not the end. I'm gonna take y'all with me when I go to the UPS. We're gonna see how that go. So we're gonna store them. We're just gonna keep them at the top right here. Packaged. Then yeah. Oh yeah, let me show y'all. This was the first shirt. This was supposed to be the back. This was supposed to be the front. Hey, so I did sketch all of these that I'm showing you. I sketched these. I just interrupted my conversation because I want y'all to know to be absolutely careful when you are talking and communicating with your manufacturer. You are the owner. You are the brand owner. So you tell the manufacturer what you want. Don't let the manufacturer tell you what they want or what you're going to get. It's your money. You're sending their money for the bulk order. So exactly how you created design, exactly get it that way from the manufacturer. No different, don't settle, no less. Fight for how you want your shirt to look, because that gives you more motivation to ship out orders, to promote, and to feel passionate about your piece. So don't let the manufacturer control you. Stand on business. Your business is worth millions. So just do it. Just fight for what you want. It's your brand. It's your money. You the brand owner. You're rich. You are successful. You call the shots. All right? So don't let nobody run over you. Don't do that. Don't let nobody run over you. You stand on this is what I want. Boom. But my manufacturer, money in the front because he said it looked better. Supposedly. But yeah, that was supposed to be what it was. It comes and goes on money. Oh, Funds for Fun wasn't supposed to be on here. Oops. What's up, YouTube? So basically I'm back. Today is another day. It's like 2 days later. These the packages right here. We finna go to work and we finna go drop the packages off. Alright, so currently we is by UPS. I don't know if y'all can see that. I just turned the camera around. But the packages right here. My work folks, it was like, what that is, FedEx? Nah. Walk. Hopefully they open. They said they open. There's a lot of people in here. OMG, oh my gosh. You got tap? I tap it right here. Okay, boom, y'all. I hope my manager don't see me, but this is the orders. Tracking orders. We got all that, and then I was clocked in, so making money while I'm making money. Nah, but when I get home, when I get off work, at like 10, I'm gonna go home, put the tracking number in, so they can know when they order gonna come. The one in Florida gonna get there on Saturday. The one in McDonough or something like that gonna get there Thursday. And if you want to see what I'm doing at work, I am posting a vlog soon. Well, I did post a vlog my day at Kroger, so y'all go watch that. All right, we back home, back from work. This is my hoodie I was wearing under. I ain't even changed. So these the packing labels. We finna put it into the computer, and then we finna put it in the tracking number so she will know when her stuff come. So he highlighted it. It's supposed to be. Wait, let me make sure this the girl. Dang, bro. 1G, like, yo. What is that? Alright, here goes nothing. One t-shirt made by Louis. One Z87. Hope that's right. Fulfill, sending notifications to the customer. Check, fulfill, see what that do. And make sure it's right. 1Z235. Okay. Let's see what it do. Yeah! Wait. Okay, yeah, this her. Fulfill. That is so cool. That is so cool. That is so cool, man. Thanks to God in heaven. Man, when you stressed out, what I do, I pray. Like, just talk to God like he just like your friend. You know, like you talking to your partner, you talking to your girlfriend, you talking to your boyfriend. You just talk to God like he already know your heart and your mind. Might as well be real, keep it real. It's the best person to talk to. There's a Bible verse my mom got on the wall downstairs. Like I remember it say, "Do not worry about anything, instead pray about everything. Tell God what you need. Thank God for all he has done." So boom, I was scared to like ship my order out because I had work, and then I was scared about it was gonna be closed, it was gonna give me a tracking number, just a lot of stuff. I just prayed about it. Everything was smooth. Y'all seen that long line? Went down about like 10 minutes, and then I didn't like, you know, get in trouble about the clock, and then, you know, like, I ain't gonna speak too soon, but I pray I don't. Please, Lord Jesus. But yeah, thank y'all for watching. If y'all like my shirt, like, go check out my brand. It's fun. It's for fun _ on Instagram and TikTok. And then, tell me what y'all think. Place an order. You know, I'm a cool person. Just to support, you know, why I feel a little kid, why I feel mommy or sister, something like that. Alright, so boom. Nobody told you you're loved. Thank you for watching the video. Go tune into another one. I'm sorry, the audio is a little low. Like, so just turn this part up so you can hear some D1 top advice that I'm about to give you before the video ends. Stay tuned. Hey, I hope you did like this video. This video was full of advice. This video was full of tips. And it's just the first time for everything. It's a first time if you starting a business. It's a first time for you promote. It's a first time for you to have 1 follower. It's a first time for every single thing. Push through. You got this. Don't compare. Stay consistent. Don't give up. You'll make it to where you be. You'll make it to where you want to be eventually. Don't get discouraged. Keep going. Keep God on your side. Keep praying about it. Hey, blessings on blessings on blessings on blessings. Amen. I hope that you know that you are loved. I hope that you know you can do all things through Christ who strengthens you. And be consistent. Hey, you see the people that's out here making money. You can make money online. You can make money with clothes. Just sell. It's a world. You give them stuff, they give you money. You give them good products. You want money, go get something. Go do something. It's not going to just fall in your lap. Just say, I want to be a millionaire. Claim what you want. Work for it. Faith without works is dead. Work for it. You got it. If they can do it, you can do it. You see somebody else do it, you can do it too, man. You can do it too, man. You can do it too. Lil Baby say that all the time in his words. Hey, I'm just a man, bruh. I made it here. You can too. That's motivation. That's motivation. That's motivation. Get off your butt. Get out your bed right now. The bed over there, that's for sleeping. Leave that alone. Sleeping is just for dreams. Sleeping is just if you wanted to stay in here. Wake up and act on it.